We're all mates until we're not.
The plan is that we are going to the aquarium because I like fishies, and I think that it could be really awesome to see what's out there, because obviously I'm used to a British aquarium, so maybe a Greek one's pretty different. I'm looking for some sharks and turtles. I love turtles. Turtles are cool. Got the shells, and I like Finding Nemo. Joe, what are you looking forward to seeing at the aquarium?
The air conditioning.
You didn't have an imagination as a child, did you?
Not really. Sharks.
Sharks.
Because they scare the life out of me.
We've just got to the ocean aquarium. It looks a bit smaller than we were expecting, but it might be really good. We're hoping that there's some outside exhibits, because it's hot here. I guess it's kind of tropical, so they can have tropical fish outside. We're going to go get our tickets, and we'll see what it looks like inside.
Yeah, it's not Ayia.
They've got these stingrays here. They're pretty awesome. They've got their little eyes and the cute little faces are flat. Joey, what are you thinking of the raccoons?
I love raccoons, man. I love them. Love them.
We've just come out of the aquarium and it was pretty awesome. Got to see some raccoons.
In the aquarium, you might want to explain that.
Yeah, if you go outside, there's all sorts of like land animals. So you had raccoons, you had crocodiles.
They're not really land animals though.
Reptiles.
But yeah, there's
mammals.
birds and stuff like that as well.
Yeah. But we got to see some turtles in there, which was awesome, and some penguins, and I thought it was worth the money. It was pretty fun in there. It was pretty awesome.
There was air conditioning.
And there was air conditioning, as Joey says. Joey doesn't care about the fish, he just cares that there's sweet air in there. We have just had a right palaver. Basically, mine and Joey's quad bike has just got really low on fuel, and we're bombing it down a motorway trying to find a fuel station, and literally all of them are closed or not going to make it. And it was getting lower and lower and lower, and Joey's starting to freak out because he thinks we're not going to make it. We make it just in time. We thought the fuel was going to cost a bomb to refill it, and it turned out that half a tank was only €5, so it ended well. We're quite happy actually because we don't have to fork out loads to refuel the tank, which is pretty great. At the moment, because we're back at the villa, I think we're going to go for a swim.
Daddy likes hot. Daddy likes hot.
He nearly went over then. You're double teaming me now, aren't you? What are you doing? Cheating. That is cool. That's so bad. Okay. Oh no, Dad. Oh, really? Hello, you.
We've just been playing a game which we don't even know what it's called, kind of like dodgeball meets pain. Yeah.
Courtney, it's called Aqua Murder Ball.
Aqua Murder Ball.
Get it on YouTube and get everyone playing it. We invented that game.
Is this the towel that you just picked up off of the floor?
No, I rubbed it off you.
Yeah, my towel.
But yeah, basically don't play it, it's dangerous. We got hit in the side of the head a lot, smashed in the face a lot, and Joey managed to throw the ball over the fence because he's an numpty.
No, Courtney couldn't catch a ball, so went over the fence.
Why are you still doing South African accent?
I wasn't South African, that was just special.
Troll in the dungeon!
Troll in the dungeon! Just... What? What is these words that you speak? There is no beer. She come down midnight like, Daddy, Daddy, I want some chicken, Daddy. Chicken. You haven't got any fucking chicken. Where am I gonna get you from? Where? Just where? Where we gotta go back?
I don't want
Stupid thing is, you gotta pay for a flight back. And you don't even want to go back. You gotta pay hundreds of pounds for them to take you back in a crappy aeroplane back to the crappy country you came from.
How's your holiday been?
Amazing, man. So good. I needed it so badly. I haven't been on holiday since I was like 17.
How's your holiday been?
Excellent.
Is that it?
No, it's been brilliant. It's a nice break. Yeah. Back on it next year.
Holiday.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? Is that another one?
Is that it?
Something similar.
Just,
But you have to ask me while I have a mouthful of biscuit. Yes,
What's
the
this?
holiday has been brilliant, apart from being quarantined for 2 days.
Yeah, I didn't actually tell you about this, guys, but my stepmom went in the sea, and where her sun cream got washed off, she caught the sun really bad, and basically it caused a kind of like an allergic reaction, where her whole face swelled up. For 2 days she couldn't go out in the sun, which really sucked because we had a lot of plans, which we would have liked to include Susan in. But unfortunately we couldn't. But she's got better now, which is good. We had to play around in the pool today, and we went out to the aquarium, so got better in the end. When I was out last night doing mayhem, I come across a box what said magic stars. I didn't know what these were. I thought they were like some fancy like condoms, and I was gonna get them because I thought they'd be funny, that sort of thing. When I actually opened up the box, I was quite surprised what's in them. It's these little tiny fireworks which you can like put on tables and stuff, because they were doing them in the bars.
Thinking buying fireworks and ended up with box condoms.
But yeah, so we're gonna light one of these and see how good they are. Dad, do you wanna set one up?
You could do it. I've got a lighter in my hand because
It's probably better to do it when there isn't stuff which is probably flammable. So you probably want to do it on my.
Do you reckon? Do you reckon that's a good idea? Not putting it next to something flammable, Courtney? What would we do without you?
It's a bit flam.
Or under a roof.
Or on your roof, you know what? Smart people, surrounded by them. Let me read the instructions. Ah.
Yeah, you know, if they're from Cyprus, they'll say, I'll work tomorrow, mate.
Yes.
I don't trust it.
I think you should have done it a bit further away, actually.
Yeah, wouldn't
It's like the aircon engineering.
That thing there is supposed to lighten it. It's the.
Should you be playing the fireworks while smoking a cigarette?
I can't see any possible outcome which could be bad about that. Wait, you got one.
Well done, you darling.
You happy? I like standing there.
I'm happier now. Yeah, the first two didn't go brilliantly, but push me out of the way. But the third one worked really well, and I had a really nice shot of it with my nice lens, and I forgot to push the record button. Get your face out of the camera!
What do you like, Jeppy?
Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see your tongue.
How do you know what people want to see?
Because I'm the YouTuber, and you are the batch.
The what?
The batch. It's the last night. It's the last time I'm going to be in this bedroom. It's the last time I'm going to go to sleep in this bedroom. And at the moment, me and Joey are just actually starting to pack all our stuff up. It's actually quite sad, isn't it, Joey?
Yeah, because so. I kind of want to stay another week, but then again, I kind of miss home now.
Yeah, I guess you get that feeling, don't you? It's kind of like you miss everything what home has, but you kind of like the whole free spirit of this place. That's the easiest way to put it. It's a free-spirited place. People are just kind of like blasé. They just live life, and it's all okay as long as it gets done eventually. It's not in a rush for anything, and I kind of like that aspect of here. But yeah, I'm just packing away on my camera gear at the moment.
That's because you're a slow motherfucker, by the way.
Yeah, and gonna basically go to sleep. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlogs. I will be vlogging back home tomorrow, and hopefully if you guys like the week, maybe I'll continue this as an every day sort of thing, or every week I'll do a couple of vlogs, something like that. But I guess I'm gonna say love, peace, and chicken grease.
Good night.
So I'll see you next time.
Whatever the fuck it is.
Meant to be the best friend. You're on the bottom of my Christmas list now.
No.